How can I get rid of my blackheads? Blackheads are probably the most common skin issue after breakouts. You may have finally combated whiteheads and thought your skin was on its way to a clear, spot-free era, but these stubborn black dots can appear overnight and are difficult to get rid of with your regular skincare regimen. We spoke to celebrity dermatologist Dr. Rashmi Shetty on the ins and outs of blackheads and how to nix the pesky specks altogether, once and for all. From the safest way to degunk your pores to the best skincare practices to keep blackheads away, we've got all the answers, and they're simpler to implement than you may think. What are blackheads, and how are they caused? Blackheads occur when a pore gets clogged. Each pore has an oil gland, sebaceous gland that produces sebum, which keeps your skin hydrated and soft. If you're prone to excess sebum production, the pore will become plugged, causing a buildup of sebum, dead skin cells and bacteria. This results in eczematous and bumps on the skin that are a result of a clogged pore, which refers to single acne lesion that can either be open or closed. Blackheads are open comedones, which are exposed to air. In the case of blackheads, the matter lodged in the pores oxidizes and turns black, which gives them their appearance. They differ from a whitehead, which is a closed comedone. The good news is that blackheads are easier to get rid of than whiteheads, says Dr. Shetty. Can I remove blackheads at home? Ideally, you should go to a professional skin therapist's clinic to get blackheads or any form of acne removed. Even your neighborhood salon might not using the right hygiene practices, creams, techniques to soften and open the skin correctly for blackhead removal, which could lead to damage. However, if you're attempting to do this at home, make sure your tools are sterilized and you're not too harsh on your skin. Dr. Shetty gives us her go-to 4-step approach to removing blackheads at home and keeping them at bay. Blackhead removal. Step 1. Use a milky, creamy face wash and massage it into the skin. Rinse. The consistency of the formula is key to getting rid of the blackheads, so make sure it's not too watery or thick. Blackhead removal. Step 2. Use either warm steam or a warm towel and apply it to the skin for 2 minutes, which will soften the skin and enlarge the pores to help dislodge the blackheads easily. Make sure it's not too hot, or it will dry out your skin. Blackhead removal. Step 3. Buy a blackhead extractor and disinfect it with rubbing alcohol, boiling water or wash with hot, soapy water. Gently apply pressure to the skin and ease out the blackheads. Dr. Shetty warns not to pull on the skin of the nodes. Gentle pressure is key to removing blackheads without damaging your skin. Blackhead removal. Step 4. Rinse face with cold water or use an at-home facial steamer on a cold setting to minimize the pores backup and avoid further blackheads. Are blackhead removal strips effective? Stay clear from nose strips, warns Shetty. The glue is bad for the skin and can cause allergies. They can also cause the open pores to stay open, resulting in more blackheads. Are there any home remedies I can use to prevent blackheads? Dr. Shetty recommends these 6 tips and practices to preventing blackheads from reappearing. Lemon and yogurt massage. Make a paste of lemon or lime mixed with yogurt and massage it into the skin for 5 to 10 minutes. Both ingredients are mildly acidic and help clearing the debris that make up blackheads. Rinse off. Firming masks. Use firming masks that contain ingredients like fuller's earth or sandalwood paste to reduce your pore size and in turn blackheads. Try the Forest Essentials Facial Upton Miltani Midi pore tightening masks. Regularly using these masks will keep your pores minimized and stop blackheads from forming. Try the Innisfree Super Volcanic Pore Clay Mask. Retin-A creams. Retin-A speeds up cell renewal, thus banishing blackheads. See a dermatologist for a professional diagnosis and prescription before incorporating this ingredient in your routine. Avoid dust. Avoid dusty and windy areas. If you can't and will be out for extended periods of time, keep your face covered. Dust can clog your pores and form blackheads. Use the correct face wash. Many people use the wrong cleansers to treat their skin concerns. Look for a milky formula that purifies and tightens the pores without being too drying. It's the best formula to avoid blackheads.